Now do it again.
Hey, look, there's a button.
Jacob.
He's fixing it.
I know. Go downstairs.
Go downstairs and play.
Do that again.
Huh?
I didn't get it. Go again.
He left his butt jiggled.
You should just go like this.
Yeah! Why don't you just shove your foot in there?
I tried. It's pretty tight.
You gotta, like, wiggle your toe.
I've been violated. I don't want to be here anymore. Fucking people.
Go play. No. Down there. What?
Ain't I've never seen nobody have soup before. Shit.
No, it was the alcohol that was funny.
You want some more?
What the hell is that?
Wild one.
Weak.
Well, you only took a sip.
You gotta take a bigger tap.
Okay, but I need like a whole glass, and
There
I
you
need
go.
to drink it all.
Drink all that.
Do your alcohol thing before. That was funny. Out of focus. There it goes.
He's weird.
It's okay. We'll show this to his girlfriend.